Welcome to Oblivion Chronicles. And on this first episode, it's going to basically be about three push ups that you can really do. One's going to be a wide, one's going to be a diamond like push up, and the other's just going to be the regular old push up. I'm going to have a little voiceover of me talking about exactly what I'm doing in the push up and how it should be done appropriately. And hope you guys enjoy. Here I am doing the regular push up, having my elbows in close to my body while having my shoulder blades scooped in and making sure I'm holding that rather than having that squeeze at the top of my traps. And here comes the next push up. Here's the wider push up, doing that same scoop of my shoulder blades, but going in a little bit wider and keeping that form as well as keeping my back straightened and holding that form nice and tight, keeping every rep nice and controlled. And then here's the diamonds. And essentially in this diamond push-up, you're going to have both fingers in close to each other, thumbs touching with pointer fingers touching. And you're going down and it's really going to be targeting your triceps. All right, so there it is. Those three ways are great ways to do push-ups. You can do them just about anywhere. Of course, at the gym, you can do them at home. You can do them while you're out and about, whatever you really choose. But essentially, those are some prime ways to do the push-ups in the appropriate ways. So if you like the video, go ahead and like it. Go ahead and subscribe. And go ahead and smash that like button.